Hello, I'm Dr. Jamie Turner from the Lone Star College Engineering Department. So we have 5 official degrees: mechanical, electrical, civil, biomedical, and industrial engineering. Above and beyond those 5 degrees, so there's like around 45 different fields of engineering, and this is growing every day. It's kind of intimidating when you first start thinking about, oh, what field should I go into? Because there's so many choices. Sometimes you don't even know what the choices are. And so we start with the class Intro to Engineering, which goes through all of the different fields of engineering as an introduction of what careers they feed into and what classes you would take to get into those fields and what type of work would you be doing, what part of the world can you work in for that. So that's where you can start if you don't know where to start, if you just have kind of a vague interest in engineering. For people who are already in industry or maybe are veteran students or already know exactly what degree they want and what direction you're headed in, we can custom tailor programs to fit your need. So the Associates of Science degrees, they can stand alone or you can transfer them into 4-year universities. So a lot of our students go on to get their bachelor's degrees at everywhere from UH to Texas Tech, A&M, University of Texas. We have students going out of state. It'll be really important to talk to an advisor and make sure you're taking the right classes for the direction you're headed in. And we can really help you with that process so that you're not taking classes that you don't need, and make sure that you have what you need for the program and the degree that you're getting into. So I'd love for you to get on the Lone Star College website, learn more about us, make an appointment to see an advisor, and get started. Really exciting field. I love our department. Some very, very special people that have come through here, and we'll hope to see you soon. Thanks for joining us.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.